This problem says the owner of a motel has 3,000 meters of fencing. So that's going to be your perimeter because it's in meters, right? So that's one dimension. And wants to enclose a rectangular plot of land that has borders a straight highway. So here's the plot of land. There's the highway. And it's a rectangular plot, so it's going to be like that. So let's just go right ahead and call that X and call that Y. And we know the perimeter. Actually, it's not even the perimeter. We know 3,000. Well, it's the partial perimeter, right? 3,000 is going to equal 2 X's plus 1 Y. So that's how X and Y are related to each other. Remember, these problems, you always have to come up with one equation that relates the two variables together. And that's not the equation you're going to maximize. You're going to use that to eliminate one of the variables in your other equation. It's kind of like a system of equations. Okay? So it says if she does not fence the side along the highway, what is the largest area that can be enclosed? All right, well, the area, they're basically wanting us to maximize the area, right? Because it said the largest area. Well, this is the area. What's the area of that?
Isn't it just base times height?
Yep, it's just X times Y. But we want to eliminate one of these variables, right? So I'm gonna solve this equation. Let's solve it for Y because it's easy. Y equals 3,000 minus 2X. Got it? And let's plug this in for Y right here. So now I have area in terms of what?
X times Y.
In terms of X. I have area in terms of X if I plug in 3,000 minus 2X. Okay? I have the area in terms of one variable. And what is that variable? It's X. That's why, see up here in the red one, I didn't write A of X. Because this equation, this red equation, is actually not only in terms of X. It's in terms of X and Y. But once I solved the equation and got rid of the Y, now I can say that it's in terms of X. Which means now I can solve this equation. I can maximize this. So let's simplify that a little bit. 3,000x minus 2x squared. Now let's take the derivative. That would be 3,000 minus 4x. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And how do I know the max or the min?
By setting
By setting it equal to 0. Good. So negative 4x equals negative 3,000. X equals, what would that be?
So you would divide by
That equals 750 feet in this case. So X is 750, which means Y, if you plug that back in here,
to the first, yeah.
Yep, Y is 1,500 feet.
That one isn't that bad.
Yeah, those were easy.